this video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to find out what graphics card you have installed on your system, or you just want to find out some extra information about your GPU, then we can do this by heading over to the Start menu and searching for Run, and then clicking on the Run icon. Now in the search box, type in dxdiag and hit enter, and that's going to pop up with this DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Now from this window, you'll be able to see a bunch of different information about your system. In order to find out the graphics card that you have installed, then we can click on Display in the top navigation, and you'll be able to see your exact graphic card name. Now if you have multiple displays at the top here, it's likely you have two different graphics cards on your computer. So this will usually be the case if you have an integrated graphics card and also a dedicated graphics card as well. So you can see underneath display 1, I have my AMD graphics card, which is my integrated GPU. And then if we click on display 2, I also have my NVIDIA graphics card, and this is my dedicated graphics card. So if you only have one display mode here, then you'll probably only have one GPU on your system. And another way to find out this information is just to right click on your taskbar and select Task Manager, then click on Performance from the left hand side, and once again right at the bottom you'll see GPU 0 and GPU 1. Now again, you might just have one of these, depends if you have multiple GPUs. So if you click on any of these, in the top right hand side you'll see a full description of the graphic card name, and if I click on GPU 1, you can see this is my AMD one, and it will also provide you a little bit more information down at the bottom here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.